You're listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio, the voice of the New Orleans listening area, station WXK80. Let's go over the weather forecast for today. A moderate risk was issued due to a risk of squall lines and severe thunderstorms. It is best to prepare for events later today. Storm ignition will most likely occur at 1 to 3 p.m. The amount of convective energy in the atmosphere has skyrocketed to over 2,400 joules per kilogram. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 391 for southern Louisiana and southeast Texas until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Storm ignition has begun in eastern Texas and southern Louisiana as the cap was broken.